title of our project is Website for Smart Contract Based Cooperative Industry Model for Farmers. Our mentor is Dr. Nupur ma'am. Our group number is first. Problem definition. It's quite difficult for farmers to keep track of transactions which they make with vendors and customers. Also, ratio of profit is decreased as middlemen offer very cheap buying rates. Farmers do not have a platform where they can analyze their weekly, monthly, and annual sales. To encounter with these problems, we have come up with the following methodology. For making a smart contract based wallet on blockchain, we use Solidity to program our smart contracts. Then, we used React.js for front end and Web3.js for converting the front end application to a blockchain application. Then, we used Ganache and MetaMask for testing transactions on private blockchain. Finally, we used Firestore to store all user related details, products, and order details. Now let's look a working demo. Currently, we are running our website locally. So this is our landing page of the website. So here customers can see all the products which the farmers have uploaded. Let's say I am a farmer and I want to sell a product. So I'll go to the sell page. Okay, first I'll need to log in. For this, I am using a dummy account which I had created earlier. So now I'll enter the product details of my product. It comes under the category of vegetables. I'll choose an item image. And I'll submit the product. Now the product ad has been submitted. So now when we'll go to our home page, yeah, we can see the product which we had just posted. We can also see it in the My Ads page where we can remove the ads which we had posted. So let's say if I want to remove this. So this has been removed now. Now if I am a customer, so I would do it from another account to buy. So let's say if I want to buy this lady finger which I had posted. Here I can see all the description from where it has been posted, when it has been posted, and who has posted this. Now, after clicking on the buy button, we'll be redirected to the payments page. Here we can see that the public key of the seller is already overwritten over here. Now, we'll just need to mention the amount which we need to pay. After clicking on send button, we'll get a MetaMask notification as this is a blockchain based wallet. After confirming it, we can see our orders page. In bought section, yes, we can see the lady finger which we just now bought. The order date is 15. Users can grow their businesses by analyzing their sales over yearly basis, monthly basis, and weekly basis. We also provide the site statistics which would encourage our investors to invest in our project, which includes the total transaction amount per category versus month, also the total visits per month. The results of this project is AgroVault provides a clean user interface where a user can post and buy agricultural items. We have our own wallet where the transactions are powered by blockchain. We also provide a crowdfunding platform where users can look into statistics and donate to our project, which in turn will be donated to other farmers. Our next work plan is to make a chatbot that will interact with buyers to provide direct interaction with farmers and sellers. And we'll deploy this project. Also, we'll add search bar and filtering options based on the search. Conclusion. Hence, using smart contracts, we have built an cooperative industry model for farmers which is trustworthy, secure, and efficient. Thank you.